Okay, who are the new joiners today?
It's Suchishmita. I'm new.
Sujesh. And anyone else?
Yeah, this is
Okay, you are also new. And
Me,
anyone else?
Muhammad Azim Khan.
I'm Casey.
Okay, okay. Guys, I have sent one WhatsApp link over the chat window. Okay, join over the particular group. Okay, kindly. And I'm also sending the drive link every day's recorded sessions along with the documents or the interview level questions. Everything will be uploaded here. So just note it down also. Kindly note down two links, both of the links. Okay, WhatsApp link along with the drive link. Okay, every day's doubts or maybe any kind of discussions, all of those things we'll be doing over that WhatsApp group. As some of most of you are new joiners today, I have to repeat some of the things again. So first of all, I mean, we have to register ourselves for the Salesforce demo. Generally, whenever you will be working as a Salesforce developer in the industry for any company, that will be a paid version of the work. Okay, that will be a paid version, and actually, for our purpose, just to practice this kind of things or scenarios, it is not possible to pay that amount. So what we will be doing, we will be registering ourselves for a demo version of the org. And you can search in Google for developer.salesforce.com. This is the actual website from where you have to just do the sign up. Okay, and you have to give your credentials like first name, last name, your actual email ID, and role. Suppose I'm choosing developer. Company, you can put any company name. Country, you have to choose India. And postal code means your actual hometown zip code. Okay, that thing you have to provide here. And username, that is very important. You have to choose one username, like your email, like I am choosing like this one. This is my username, suppose. Okay, so this username is very important. And after providing the username, what you have to do, you have to simply click on sign me up. So once you click on that sign me up in your Gmail, I mean the email you are providing here in the email address, you'll be getting one notification. Okay, like this kind of email you'll be getting, not this one. Yeah, this is the email you'll be getting, developer.salesforce.com. Okay, this kind of email you'll be getting. Okay, once you fill up the form and click on sign me up, okay, you'll be getting this kind of email. It will take like maximum 5 minutes. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes it will take to verify your account. And after that, you will be getting this notification, email notification. There you have to simply click on verify account. Okay, and after you click on the verify account, it will navigate you to a password recovery page. For this, I guess already that is done. Okay, but generally, if you click on that password, it will navigate you to an application that is one kind of password verification. Let's search on Google. Salesforce password recovery image. Once you click on verify, it will navigate you to this kind of page. Okay, change your password. where you have to set the new password and you have to give the same password to just to confirm your password. Okay, like here the password policies are that it has to be having 8 characters, one letter and one number. Okay, so you have to choose the password, new password, and you just have to give the same password here in the confirm new password. Then you will be having one security question. This security question is very important. Why? Because somehow if you are forgetting your password for to log in into the org, okay, this is the same questions will be asked to you. Suppose you want to reset the password for the org, okay, this question will be asked to you. Okay, that you are choosing. Okay, you can choose the questions from here. Like here they are choosing like in what city you are born, was your first job. There are a lot of more questions are there, like what is your pet name or what is your current location. This kind of questions will be there, security question. Based on that you have to give here the answer. Okay, so whenever you are trying to reset your password, suppose you have forgot the password and you want to reset the password, this question will be asked to you. Okay, so you have to choose the same security question and same answer that you are setting for the first time. Okay, so that kind of page, it will navigate you once you click on the verify account. For me, that is already verified, so that is logging me into the actual org. Okay, but how to, suppose you are just logging out of that particular org, then how to log in again? To log in, the password you have set and this username, these two are very important. You can log in into the org by writing login.salesforce.com. From developer.salesforce.com, you have to register yourself for the dummy site. I mean, dummy org. I've sent over the chat window, developer.salesforce.com. And to log in into Salesforce, you have to write just like login.salesforce.com. Both of the links I have sent. Then here you have to log in with the credentials, like the username is this one. Copying and pasting here. And the password, whatever you have given, that password you have to give and just simply click on login. Okay, if it is asking you for any other dialogues or something, just you can click on the remind me later link. Okay, if it is asking you any kind of dialogue or some kind of things, then you can click on that remind me later. Okay, and this is the demo org that you will be using. And by default, Salesforce has two environments. One is the classic environment, one is the lightning environment. Classic means that particular environment you can run only your computer or desktop or laptop. You cannot run in your mobile phones. Okay, so this is the older version that you are viewing here. That is the classic version of Salesforce. Okay, I mean you can open your site or you can open your org using your mobile phone. That is okay, but you will not be able to work with that. So that is the old version of the Salesforce classic one. Okay, how to move back to the lightning one? You can simply click on here, switch to lightning experience. Okay, and it will navigate you to the actual lightning version of the Salesforce. Okay, this is the modern version that you can run in your mobile phone as well as in your computer or desktop or laptop. Okay, both way you can run. This is the lightning version. And how to navigate back to the classic version? If you click on this view profile, again one link is appearing that is known as switch to Salesforce Classic. If you click on that, that will again navigate you to the classic version of Salesforce. Okay, again back to this one, classic one. And from here, you can move to the lightning one. Okay, there are some of the prerequisites you have to know before you get started. That is, like what are the different things are called. Like this button is called as setup. Okay, this is your notification. This is your profile. Okay, and this is called as global search. From here, you can search anything. Okay, these things are known as tabs. Like home is one tab, opportunity is a different tab, lead is one tab, and task is another tab. So different tabs are there. Okay, and under different tabs, you are having different informations. Okay, and this thing is known as app launcher. Like in your mobile phone, if you are using Android or Apple, anything, that is also having an app launcher that contains several apps: WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail, YouTube, anything. Right, same way we are also having app launcher. This thing is known as app launcher. And if I click on view all, these are all the available applications installed in my org, in my environment. Okay, so we'll see what are the different applications that we have to use. Okay, these are different applications installed here. Okay, like currently we are using Sales. So this is the Sales. You can see your application, name of the application is, you can see it here. And under different applications, you are having different tabs. Okay, and okay, other thing is, like you can download some applications in your mobile phone. Okay, from where? From Apple Store, from Play Store, right? Same way, in Salesforce, to download some kind of applications, you are having App Exchange. Okay, from your App Exchange, you can download some applications if you need. Okay, it is same like your Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, from here you can download that one. And currently, whatever the things you will be working on, like in your industry, for which company you are working, generally your post is Salesforce developer. But for this environment, you will be working as a Salesforce system administrator. That will be your profile. Your work role will be a Salesforce developer. Okay, I mean that is all about like coding or some kind of things. But your, I mean this org credentials or the org title, okay, whatever the post you are having in this particular org, that will be Salesforce system administrator. System admin means you can do anything in this environment, any changes you can make. Okay, so first of all, we have to understand the basic difference between Salesforce and any database kind of thing. So for that, let me open Paint. Okay, here, so let's see the first difference between your normal database and Salesforce. So Salesforce is basically one company, but it is also one technology. Okay, and Salesforce is currently world's #1 CRM cloud-based platform. Okay, cloud means what? Similar to your database, right? But there are some more advantageous things, like over the internet you can access something. Like today you are accessing your computer to work on a project. Okay, and if your computer suppose somehow getting damaged, or maybe your operating system needs some update, so you will not be able to move further, you will not be able to work further. Your operating system gets reinstalled or your hardware is getting repaired. Okay, but in cloud you do not have to bother about these issues. Why? Because in cloud you are accessing one remote server from India. Over the internet you are accessing one device that is present in maybe Australia. Okay, so that device you are accessing by sitting at your home. Okay, that is the benefit of having cloud. Everything is saved over the internet. You do not have to bother about the storage or this kind of things, or you do not have to bother about the device hardware issues, or like software update, software installation, this kind of things you do not have to bother about. All these things are taken care by them only. Okay, and CRM means customer relationship management. Okay, so basically cloud is a database. So in the database you are storing all the informations regarding your customer, like customer name, customer email address, customer phone. Every information regarding the customer is saved, as well as every information regarding your employees. Like today you are working as a system admin, so all the informations of all the system admin, all the managers, all the HRs are also stored in the same database. Okay, so that is a database that is shared between multiple people, with the customers as well as with the employees. That's why that is known as CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, now in the database, like normally how you can store the data. Like today you want to store some kind of student informations, like student name, email ID, department, phone number, anything you want to store. So like I am talking about a normal database, like maybe Oracle, maybe SQL, anything. So that database, you are having one kind of table to store some kind of information. Like I want to store student information. For to student, I mean to store student information, I need student table. And in that table, okay, I am having different kinds of columns. Like name is a column, email is a column, okay, registration number is a column, department is a column. So different columns are there. Maybe roll number is also there. Okay. So name, email, registration number, department, roll number, these are the columns. Now here I'm storing different student informations. Look, registration number, I'm storing something. Department, let's take MBA, and roll number, let's take 1. So this way you can store multiple informations, like another student information, same way you can store. Then you can store another information. Okay, this way you can store millions of records. Millions of student records you can store here. Okay, that is a normal database. Okay. Same way in Salesforce, I mean, the things are very similar, but with different names or different approaches. Like here also, in Salesforce database, we want to store some kind of information. Like the same student information we want to store. So here it is known as object, not table. Okay. Here in normal database, it is known as table. And name, email, registration number, department, roll number, these things are known as columns. Where here in the Salesforce, it is known as object. Student is an object, it is not a table. And the name, email, registration number, these things are known as like name, email, these things are, or several fields are there. These things are known as fields. These are not columns anymore. These are fields. Okay. Is it clear up to this one? Or any queries? Okay. Now, how to, I mean, in Salesforce, like normally you are logged in here. Now, from where I can get those all those object details, like all the objects. By default, Salesforce has created some of the objects. You can also create of your own. But if you click on setup and click on here, here in the object manager, if you click, here see some of the objects already created by Salesforce. Okay, so those objects that are already created, created already, Salesforce has created. So those things are known as standard object. Okay, like account, activity, asset, or also other things are there. A lot of things are there. Okay, these are the standard object that contain some kind of fields. If you click on fields and relationships, these are the fields already created. I have not created it, or any user has not created it. It is already created by Salesforce whenever you register for the work for the first time. Okay, so these things are known as standard fields because that is already created. Now we'll see how to create an object of our own. Okay, like here, already one object is created by us that is known as training. Like this is the object. It is a custom object because as a user I have created it or any other user has created it. That's why it is known as custom object. Okay, and you can see the difference between standard object and custom object by seeing this underscore underscore